Now what he is saying, you want to set up a pole of height how much? 10 meters, right? 10 meters ka you have to set up one pole, right? Vertically with the ground. Pole कैसे लगाते हैं? Anyhow it will be vertically. Like in last question it was what? Tower. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Tower will stand vertically. No. So what is saying? You want to set up a pole of height 10 meters vertically with the support of 3 ropes. Imagine this is your, okay? What it is? Take it as pole vertically. How much it is? 10 meter long. Now what is saying? Each pole has to make an angle of 30 degrees with the pole. Now I am drawing 3. Okay? 1. Where is the third one? 3D figure, right? Imagine there is one more pole which is back side. Okay? It is like this. One pole, this is pole. Okay? ये pole है, right? See, this is your pole of height how much? 10 meters. 10 meters. One pole I am keeping here. One rope I am tying here. Second rope I am tying here. Third rope will be here. Back side. Right? Like this. Right? 1, 2, and this is your third. Now there is one twist in the question saying that each pole has to make an angle of 30 degrees till your 1, 2, 3, 4 problems. It was with the ground. Angle with the ground. Now it is angle with the pole. Now see here. Now rope and your pole are connected here. They are not connected here. They can't make any angle here. Yes or no? Logic है नहीं? Now they can't make any angle here. They can't make any angle here. Both. What is saying? Each pole has to make an angle of 30 degrees with the rope. Sorry, it is with the नहीं, each rope है क्या यहाँ पे? Each rope. Okay. Each rope, right? What is saying? Each rope has to make an angle of 30 degrees with the pole. Where it will come? Here, right? We have one rope, second rope, and third rope. Imagine this is your pole. Pole. This is your first rope, second rope, and this is your back side will be third rope. With the help of 3 ropes, he is trying to set up a pole of how much? 10 meters height. Height of the pole is what? 10 meters. Clear? Right? Now angle will be here 30 degrees. Yes or no? Angle of pole with the rope. All are connected at 30 degrees only. 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30. You can take any rope. Right? Now imagine I am standing here. Right? Now when I am looking from here, what will be my opposite side? My opposite side will be this one. No. When I am standing here, I am looking down. So this will be my opposite side. Right? This is what? Opposite side. Yes or no? This will become what? Very good. Rope will become hypotenuse. Straight. This will become what? This will become adjacent. This is clear? Now see. What is asking? What should be length of the rope? रोप का लेंथ कितना रहना? Getting? All the three ropes are equal because they are making what? How much angle? 30 degrees. 30 degrees with the pole. Pole के पास 30 degrees है. Now you are measuring this as 30 degrees and you are tying a rope here. Same 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees. So all length will be equal. If we are increasing the angle, imagine from 30 to 60 we are keeping somewhere far away, then length of the pole, length of the rope increases. As all the three are connected at what? 30 degrees, length of each rope will be same. He is asking what should be length of the rope. Any one rope you find out, it will be done, right? Now after what is given, what is our next step? Developing a relationship between what is given versus what is asking. What is given versus what is asking. Second, first one is this. Second is you have to develop relationship between what is given versus what is asking. What he gave what? Adjacent. This is adjacent, no? Yes or no? Adjacent कितना दिया? 10. Adjacent he gave us 10 meters, right? What we need? We need hypotenuse, no length of the rope, right? We need what? Hypotenuse. Let it be x. Height will be considered for this one. Uh, h and height will consider h for height. Hypotenuse will be x. Now adjacent and hypotenuse are given by which formula? Cos theta. Good, very good. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Now cos theta how much he gave? Cos 30 degrees equal to adjacent is what? What is cos 30? Sin 60 is nothing but cos 30, right? Cross multiply. Root 3 into x is what? 2 into 10. What is x? One number and one letter will be always in multiplication. When you are sending this multiplication letter that side, it will become what? Division. 20 by. So what is your value? 20 by root 3 meters. Right? This is for. Now we got x equal to 20 by root 3 meters for one rope. Length of one rope is what? 20 by root 3 meters. Now if it is ropes here, if it is one rope, then it is what? 20 by root 3 meters. If he is asking for 3 ropes, what you will do? You will multiply this with 3, right? 3 can be written as, this can be written as 20 by root 3 into 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 becomes what? Root 3 whole square. Square and root gets cancelled. 3 will be remaining, right? Now root 3 cancel, root 3 cancel. 20 into what is the value of root 3? 1.732. When you multiply this, what you will get? 34.64 meters. Is the length of 3 ropes. Correct. Suppose you are shooting an arrow. Sixth question, right? Suppose you are shooting an arrow from top of a building at an height of 6 meters. What is 6 meters? Suppose that this is your building, right? Building equal to how much? 6 meters. Building height is what? 6 meters. Suppose that you are shooting an arrow from top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target. Where are you now? Top of a building. Suppose that this is you who is shooting an arrow, right? From here you are shooting an arrow, right? ऐसे आता है. Now building of height 6 meters. You are on what? Top of a building, right? This is top of a building. You are standing here and you are shooting an arrow. Arrow where you are shooting? On the ground at an angle of depression of what? There is one target here. Target. You are shooting an arrow from top of a building to a target at an angle of angle of depression of 60 degrees. He gave your angle. It is not angle with the ground. Angle of depression for him, let it be 60 degrees here. Angle of depression for the person will be equal to angle of elevation to the target. Target here, like see, if he is seeing to his target like this, now imagine there is one target here. Target will see to that person in this way, no. So this will become what? For target it will be angle of elevation, right? We can take this as angle of depression of the person who is shooting becomes angle of elevation for the target, right? This will be what? 60 degrees. Okay, angle of depression and angle of elevations are equal. Now what is saying, what is the distance between you and the object? Very good. What is distance between you and the target? Is this is the distance? Distance is nothing but hypotenuse. Yes or no? Now what he gave for target? For target, this side is what? If this is angle of elevation, this side is what? Opposite side. Opposite side is 6. He is asking you, they after given, what is your next point is what? You have to write one more important, much important point here. Angle of, no, listen. Angle of depression of shooter is equal to angle of elevation of target. Very much important point here. Now what you'll do, what is your first point is given, next second is what he has given versus you have to develop relationship versus what he is asking. He gave you opposite side, he is asking you hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse relationship is given by what? Sin theta. Sin theta is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Now theta is what? How much he gave? Sin 60 degrees equal to what is opposite? Hypotenuse we don't know, let it be x. Now what is sin 60? Sin 60 is what? Root 3 by equal to 6 by x. Cross multiply. Root 3 into x. 6 to the one number and letter will be in multiplication. When this root 3 goes that side becomes what? Division. Therefore x equal to 12 by root 3. When we rationalize this, we can do this into root 3 by root 3. Yes? Yes or no? Now what you will get? 12 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 3 whole square, nothing but 3. 3 ones are 3, 4s are. What you have? 4 into root 3 value is what? 1 point. Multiply this. 1.732 into 4. After point you have 3 digits. 6.928 meters is the distance between shooter and target. What is the distance? 6.928 meters. Let it go. Okay. You can keep 4 root 3 or you can write it as in meter. 6.928 meters is the distance between the person who is shooting and the target. Right? Clear?